Now, what did you say,
I
Bob?
like Miranda.
What do you want to do to her?
I want to use it in bed.
What?
I want to use my pee-pee in bed with her.
Yeah? Wow.
This is to you, Miranda.
Ooh, you gonna do some of that?
Mm-hmm.
She likes that.
I even got some nuts in my mouth. I got some big ones out here if you want to see.
Maybe she will.
Just wait, Miranda. There will come a time you will be in bed with me, and I will use my pee-pee on you. And it'll go